A cat is small, a cat is quiet, but this cat has a secret. The cat can talk. Hello! Today we have a short, easy story for your A1 English level called The Talking Cat. Leo is a fisherman. He lives near the sea. He has a small boat. He wakes up very early. Leo is a lonely man. He does not have a family. He has only one friend, a cat. The cat is called Silver. Silver is black and gray. Silver is a big cat. Every morning, Leo goes to his boat. Silver follows him. One day, Leo is fishing. Silver is sitting in the boat. The water is calm. Leo is thinking, I want more fish today. Suddenly, Silver says a word. Wait! Leo stops. Leo looks at the cat. Did you talk? Leo asks. Silver looks at the water. Silver says, no fish there. Go left. Leo is surprised. He thinks, cats do not talk. Am I tired? But Leo moves the boat to the left. He puts his net into the water. He pulls the net up. There are many, many big fish. Leo is happy. Thank you, Silver. You are a clever cat. Silver smiles. Maybe. I know where the fish are, but you must buy me good milk. Leo laughs. The next day, Leo and Silver go fishing again. Leo sees a big storm is coming. The sky is very dark. Leo says, Silver, a storm is coming. We must go home fast. Silver says, no, Leo, stay here. The storm is small. The fish are here now. Leo is afraid, but he listens to Silver. They stay in the boat. The storm comes and goes fast. It is small. After the storm, the fish are everywhere. Leo catches the biggest fish of his life. Leo returns home a rich man. He buys Silver the best milk every day. Leo is not lonely anymore. He has a talking cat that helps him. Thank you for reading The Talking Cat. This simple story helped us practice describing things and using the present simple tense. Here are some new words from our story: fisherman, boat, lonely, calm, storm, clever, net. Today, we focused on the present simple and the present continuous. Present simple, routine. Leo wakes up early. Cats do not talk. Present continuous, happening now. Silver is sitting in the boat. A storm is coming. Try to describe a friend's pet using the present simple. If you want more stories and lessons for A1 English, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend who is starting English. We will see you next time for another story. And remember, always listen to your cat. Bye!